Climate change lies at the heart of the current environmental crisis. Our most pressing priority is to reduce our carbon emissions. This is central to one of our 7 action priorities, restoring our green planet. We have come up with Alibaba's carbon reduction strategy and phased goals. In addition to addressing Scope 1 and 2 emissions in our own operations and Scope 3 emissions in our value chain, we also introduced a brand new dimension named Scope 3+. We are committed to reducing these emissions generated across our platform, but outside of our own operations and direct value chains. For Scope 3+, we hope to work with our ecosystem partners and mobilize the power of our more than 1.3 billion consumers to drive a cumulative reduction of 1.5 gigatons of carbon emissions by 2035. We are working with our ecosystem partners to promote decarbonization across the consumer sector. In July 2022, Alibaba joined forces with 19 other leading companies to launch the Decarbonization Friendly Actions Program to build and improve corporate carbon reduction capabilities and to instill and promote consumer awareness of decarbonization. By leveraging the efforts and resources of the wider community, we have been able to address the consumer sector's carbon footprint more effectively and innovatively. When it comes to products, we put much effort into incubating and developing low-carbon goods, as well as in standards creation, platform disclosure, and other areas. For example, Alibaba, Unilever, and the China National Institute of Standardization jointly established product evaluation standards for low-carbon liquid detergents, providing industry guidelines that encompass green packaging materials, energy-saving production, low foaming and water-saving formulas, and other measures that help reduce waste and pollution. Meanwhile, we need an integrated low-carbon logistics strategy to achieve efficient and effective operations. As such, we created a one-stop smart logistics solution to manage carbon emissions across the entire logistic chain, including warehousing, packaging, and delivery. In 2022, Alibaba's logistics arm, Cainiao, provided a series of eco-friendly supply chain management measures to Yili Group, one of China's largest dairy companies, to reduce the carbon footprint of its logistics operations. Finally, in terms of marketing, the key is to promote low-carbon consumption awareness and habits. We have rolled out our Carbon 88 Ledger platform for consumers across our ecosystem to reduce their carbon footprint through everyday actions. We have also worked with brand partners to introduce the 88 Decarbonization Day campaign. This campaign leverages the influence of our own platform and that of our brand partners to deliver an accessible carbon reduction proposition, creating new shopping scenarios that provide convenient low-carbon options to consumers.